All right, guys, continuation here on the front door. This is a 2013. We originally applied this film like a decade ago. The guy takes care of it like meticulously, like badass. So I'm gonna cover it because I don't want none of this stuff to be stained. You know, soap. You know, the little crocodile kind of thing, whatever. If you put some of the soap or whatever, it'll embed itself into the thing. So dries out, it's going to be horrible. So I'm just going to cover. You can cover it with a trash bag. That don't matter. So I'm going to go out there and show you that we already removed the film with a steam, and now we're going to go ahead and apply the film. 35 Stealth AR by Dirty Tools, and removed everything. Everything's pretty much covered. There's no perfect panel cover. You know, with this curve that is thrown here, there's always a detriment of how I'm going to do this or that. This happens to be pretty tight right here against the glass, but still, we're going to go ahead and drop the film in there. We're going to do a bottom load on this one. How are we going to do a bottom load without touching the sides or not contaminating anything? As you can see right here, I'm going to go around and show you. There's a lot of that fuzz right there, and you can tape it. I highly recommend it, or don't tape it. I don't tape it only because this old dog got so many tricks up his sleeve. So all the windows that are like this, that are like smaller here and larger here, we're always going to introduce them this way down, and then do this, align the top, and be done. And that's what I'm going to show you right now. Put the film there, do everything here. Okay, right here. I'll make 100% sure that we don't have nothing on there. As far as little glue pellets or whatever, I want to collect them with this dirty thing. Okay, all the way up, all the way on the sides. And the last piece of instrument or tool that I'm going to use here is going to be this other guy right here. Put this guy right here momentarily. I'm going to switcheroo this right here. Get my guy right here, and go ahead and we can get ready to do our loading here. Okay, this guy right here, all the way in. If there is anything in there, adhesive or whatever, dislodge it all the way down. There you go, all the way down. Cut anything that needs to be cut and throw it down there. Where it goes, we don't know. It goes to a happy place down there. I think I want to drop her somewhere about there, más o menos. I want to have her here in this position. And I want you to know none of my videos are edited for this or that. You know, it's just experience rolling here of what it is that I'm doing. If I fuck up, I'll redo the video. Should be a one shot and take her to town, Charlie Brown kind of thing. All the way there at the top, there. Okay. Touch, 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 and then all the way across nicely. There. There. All right. Get our pattern here. Alright, we're going to start, like I said, in one corner. There's plenty of juice, contact on the glass. On the left, don't do nothing. Don't even fucking look over there. Just do this, drop, and then start pushing her in. Keep on dropping her, push her in, and then over here, then start paying attention to do this and do this. Touch the top and push her to the left. There you go. And there's our success. And there she is. 100% dropped where she needs to be at. Make contact with everything. Hold it here. Awesome patterns by Corey by Lumar or Eastman. Lock her slowly and then start moving her to the desired area that you want as far as the micro edge. Slowly, slowly, hold it. We'll do the micro edge ahorita mismo. Hold on, about right there. Okay. Hold it, but she won't slide on you, okay? And do this a little bit more down, that way you lock her, because we are gonna go in and roll her up. This guy fell down off my side. There you go, right there, stay there. This tool right here, touch, slowly, all the way in. Suck the water that's on the edge, slowly. There you go, all the way up. Even better like this, there you go. And we roll it up, all the way up. Very nice. Put our tool where they belong, do our thing here. We're done. The thing with the sprayer, man, yeah, I don't like it anymore. I've been doing videos forever and ever with the sprayer, and yeah, I'm done. I mean, all my career has been about sprayers, pero if there's a little bit better tool to improve and save some carpet tone, fuck it, I'll use it. There you go. Leaf Flores asking about how we use this, exactly like this. All the way in the bottom, all the bottom, side, all the way down. Boom. And there she is. My goal was to go ahead and protect the customer's nice truck like I showed you. Do the bottom drop in front of you. And let's go ahead and see what's going on down here. Nice and clean and protected, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up, put that seal and get going, because I do have the other vehicle that's in here, so I gotta move my ass and get all this shit on the road, right? Guys, have an awesome day.